doing something else with the cube. So, could you just start mixing that cube up for me? Just mix it up, yeah? Mix that cube up, yeah? That's fine. Right, okay. You've been mixing that cube, yeah? Oh, that's completely mixed, yeah? You happy? You've been mixing that the whole time, yeah? Mixed. Right. Now, what I'm about to do is one of the hardest things. I'm going to try to solve that cube blindfolded. Now, honestly, this is pretty hard. Now, I'm going to take the cube. Now, make sure you can't see through that blindfold. Can you see through that? No, you can't see through that. You can't see through it, yeah? Have a quick check. Definitely not. Right, so I'm going to put the blindfold on and I'm going to try solve the cube. Are you ready? Okay, right. Get it on. Right, I'm going to study the cube, then I'll solve it. Oh. Okay, right. Okay.